Hello, today we are going to be looking at my bike, dirt jump bike. Right, at the front we have a DMR front wheel with a nice 2.5 width Michelin tyre, very cheap. The forks are RSTs, used to be 100mm travel, but now they've gone all the way up. I think they're 140 now, I don't know how that works. Sprayed them myself. Nice greyish colour. The bars, DMR wing bars, very shiny. I like them because they're wide, and I like to control the bike with wide stuff. The stem is a blank, normal BMX stem. Seems to be alright. I've only ridden it a couple of months, quite scratched up. The headset is a nice blank, got it from Vortex, as you can see from the sticker. Gold, very smooth, nice top cap and spaces. The frame, 2006 GT ruckus frame. It's not the best of frames for the paint wise, because it seems to chip a lot with stones and stuff. But it's alright, it's strong, holds me on it. The cranks, a Harrow BMX cranks, because they're nice and light. I've got some nice lightweight plasticky pedals. You can't really see the bottom bracket, but it's a dirty bottom bracket, nice one. The chain, blank white chain. I don't know what the chain's actually called, but I know it's a make blank Superstar sprocket, 30 tooth. Says ruckus there, proof of the ruckus, yeah. Back end, I have a 13 back freewheel, what doesn't really get me that far, but it's alright. Tetro IO brake with an Avid Juicy disc. Atom Lab back wheel, the 24. The reason is I can't really get a 26 back tyre wide enough. Well, I like wide tyres on the back, but mostly they don't really fit and they tend to make a motorbike noise. Yeah, nice wide hub freewheel, white spokes, what I like. Motor Digger 2.3 tyre, it looks massive on here. I have a mongoose seat, as you can see, it doesn't really match the bike, but I like it because it's comfy. Yeah, so if you subscribe and like and stuff, I'm sure there'll be a few edits of me and some of my friends soon. Bye.